WhatsApp has updated its privacy policy and users have until February 8 to accept the new terms and conditions. The new policy says how user data is impacted when there is interaction with the business on the platform and provides more detail on integration with Facebook, WhatsApp's parent company. Will WhatsApp share your messages with Facebook? The answer is no. The privacy policy does not change the way WhatsApp treats personal chats. WhatsApp remains end-to-end encrypted. No third party can read them. In a statement, WhatsApp said, the update does not change WhatsApp's data sharing practices with Facebook and does not impact how people communicate privately with friends or family. WhatsApp remains deeply committed to protecting people's privacy. What data will WhatsApp share with Facebook? Data exchange with Facebook is in fact already taking place. While users in the European Union can opt out of data sharing with Facebook, the rest of the world does not have the same choice. WhatsApp's new privacy policy notes that when users rely on third-party services or other Facebook company products that are integrated with our services, those third-party services may receive information about what you or others share with them. Why does this data exchange with the Facebook matter? The privacy gives reasons for the data sharing with Facebook, from ensuring better security and fighting spam to improving user experience, which was there in the previous policy as well. But the new policy is a further sign of WhatsApp's deeper integration into the Facebook group of companies. CEO Mark Zuckerberg in 2019 talked about his cross-platform vision across Facebook Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp. He called it interoperability. Instagram's direct messages and Facebook Messenger have already been integrated. Facebook wants to bring more services to WhatsApp and has added a feature called Rooms. The integration has been taking place for a while now. Does it mean WhatsApp will use your data for ads? WhatsApp does not show ads yet, and the reported plans appear to have been shelved. If you are worried that personal messages will be used to target ads on WhatsApp, that won't happen because they are encrypted. But the increased data sharing with Facebook will be used to improve ad experience across other products of the company. Is WhatsApp storing messages? No, says WhatsApp. According to the privacy policy, once a message is delivered, it is deleted from the company's servers. WhatsApp stores a message only when it cannot be delivered immediately. The message can then stay on its servers for up to 30 days in an encrypted form as WhatsApp continues to try to deliver it. If undelivered, even after 30 days, the message is deleted. What does the policy say about data shared with businesses? The new policy explains how businesses get data. When a user interacts with them on the platform, content shared with the business on WhatsApp will be visible to several people in that business. This is important because WhatsApp now has over 50 million business accounts. For WhatsApp, this is a potential monetization model. The policy says that some businesses might be working with third-party service providers to help manage their communication with their customers. To understand how the business is handling the information you shared with them, WhatsApp recommends that users read the business privacy policy or contact the business directly. Do you have to accept the privacy policy? The answer is yes. This is standard practice for most software. If you don't want to, you can delete your account and switch to another service. A lot of people seem to be switching to Signal from WhatsApp. Signal is another messaging app, free and end-to-end encrypted, and which has gained a popularity push in light of the new WhatsApp policy. WhatsApp uses Signal's protocol for its encryption. But Signal is not owned by any corporation and is run by a non-profit. And I would like to say that the choice is yours. Thanks for watching it. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon with smile.